Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video about a couple of things. First is that several people ask me that how come I don't show my losses, right? The losers, the trade that hit my SL. So for the longest time, I was thinking about making a video because I really have to show uh, what really happened, right? So I tried today a little bit. So let me show exactly what happens to my losers, how they are, and what my setup is, and how my SL is hit most of the time. Right. So let's get it started. So this is the first chart, the entry. Pound Aussie. Yeah, yesterday I took it. Buy order is right there, right? And the price moved in my direction and 30 pip. At that time, it was 30 pip. Right now, you all know that I do not show any trade taken, either 20 trades or 15 trades or 10 trades in a week, but you will never see me showing a trade with 30 pip, 35 pip, 40 or 45 pip, nothing less than 50, right? I do not even show that. Why? What is the reason? Is this. See, now this is what I had, and I recorded this because just to make this video and then show that this is exactly what happened, that I make the entry, and as soon as the price goes in my direction, I move my SL, right? Usually I sit on exactly at break even just before recording the chart. I move my SL a little bit up, like 5 cents pip something, so that you can see the where the SL is, right? So, but usually I move my SL to break even to have a safe passage, right? But if the price comes back and hit my SL, I do not lose anything. All right. If it is maybe 40, 45 pip, then I will have a break even plus 5 pip, right? So it's still, if the the price comes back and hit my SL, I lose 5 pip. I mean, sorry, I make 5 pip, right? That's how it is. So what happened to this one? I don't have this one to show it to you. Why? Because look what happened. Boom. Came back, right? This is how 90% of my losses, this is how I lose. This is how the price comes back and hit my SL. It's first in profit, and then it comes back and hit. Let me show you the other one. Today, remember I made a video about the yen index, yen news and yen pairs, that they're all going to be going to the upside. And I said in that video that I already have an entry, and it's like 70, 75 pip in profit. So just before the news, I closed that. Now you can see here that this was a little arrow, and then the trade was open just here. I did the same thing. When it was here, I moved my SL to break even. It came back very close, but never hit the SL, and then it went up again to this R1 area. This is the pivot line, R1, and then this is R2, right? So, right before the news, this is the principle for everybody should have the same principle, because, if at the time of the news or after the news, anything can happen. So if you are in trade and profit, then close the damn thing. Simple as that, right? Because if the news comes out the opposite, all the profit is gone. Boom. So I closed this one, and then I waited for the next entry, right? At least this one, this much went into the bank, right? Pound Aussie, I had no gain, no loss. Another trade that I had was this EUR-AUD. Now, EUR-AUD, it basically, look, this is I recorded this one as well, just to show you guys, right? So this was the entry here, and then it went down. So I moved my SL to break even. You can see here the sell order, and then SL is exactly at the break even. Now you see that price coming very close to that, right? And it is 30 pip at this time. I recorded the chart. So I said, okay, I'll show you guys that if this also hit my SL, right? This trade is also gone kaput, but no loss. But what happened to this is this, that it went down here. Last recorded just to show you that it didn't hit my SL. So I said, okay, I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna hold it to this area. There is a level here, 60 to 25, and then this is S1, the daily support, daily pivot support. The first support, S1, is 75 pip. From entry to here would be 75 pip, right? Here, 36 pip, I don't want it. Okay, we're done with that. So anything less than 50, I do not close my trade. If the price comes back, hit my SL, thank you very much, no problem. But if it is going in my way, I will go at least, this much, 70, 60, 65, even sometimes 50, 55, I close if I see that, there is a danger of a reversal, right? This one, I have set up everything and I recorded this, and let's go take a look how far we are into this, because I have a strong feeling that it might go this way. And then 75 pip, enough, I'll close the thing, right? So let's go take a look where it is now. It is sitting exactly there. And this is where my 62.25, right now it is at 62.60. I recorded the chart when it was 62.72. So it went down 12 pip even more, right? So this is exactly where, let me see the 20-minute chart. See, this is how it looks like, the 20-minute chart. So it is right there, and then this much, I'm waiting for this to hit, right? Daily pivot at 62.33, I guess, yeah. 62.33 to my entry would be, yeah, 75 pip is going to be from entry to this. That would be, right? So a little bit more, and I close the trade. If it would go back and hit my SL at no loss, I will be out of the trade. But now this one is going in my way. So, okay, let's go see if I can get 75 pip here, right? These are the couple of trades. Another one that I want to show you here, not here, where the heck it go? That in the yen, yeah, okay, this one, see, I'm sitting on a break, but this is from 7-minute chart, right? So this one, exactly when I said that, all yen are going to go up, so they went up. This is the entry that I took. But what happened so far already? This one is gone at break even. SL hit. Let me show it to you. This one is, you see that? It came back. My entry was right there, and it hit the SL. Now I may get a 20-minute entry on the other computer. Then if it gives me a 20-minute entry like this, a blue candle, reversal and a blue candle, I'll open the trade again, right? Similarly, pound yen, if you look at it, that's it. It came back, came down, they went up. So it's going sideways. And if this one, I also had this one, but again, it got out. I got out on this one as well. And then now again, if it's gonna go and give me a long setup, I'll take it, a proper long setup. I need this thing more like this one here, right? So this is how it is. So basically, if you see that I had this pound yen 70 pip already made, pound euro-AUD is going down here, right? So far I have like more than 45 pip already. Let me see how, okay, here, and then I go here. So if I see from, right, my entry is here, so from here to here, so see 50 pip already, right? I can close this one here. So it's 50 and 70 is like 120 pip. Now there's another one that I posted on the Telegram. See that GU making short because of the pound bad, right? EA making short, which one is going right now, right? It still keep going. Now this one you can see here, that pound USD. Let's go take a look what happened to that. Pound USD, this was the entry here, and it went up and hit my SL for full 25 pip. So right now I have 70 and 50, which is 120, right? So 120 minus this 25 loss is 95 pip. So I'm still positive 95 pip. And my EA may go down and hit this area here. So that would be 75 plus 70. So that would be 145 minus the 25. So I will have 120 pip still. So that's why I always said that do not get, upset or sad or, because that, your SL hit and you lost, 20 pip here, 25 pip there, because that happened all the time. Pay attention to the one that are going in your favor, in your direction, and then try to squeeze everything out of that. Just like I had this pound yen. Pound yen is 70 pip. It's nothing, right? Usually I have 100 pip, 120 pip, 130 pip pound yen trade, right? Similar euro-AUD. Euro-AUD, I'm pretty sure it's going to drop here, right? And then I'll have it. I mean, the last week I had a pound. Let me show you quickly. Euro-AUD. Euro-AUD gave me a trade, I think last Friday, completely at the end. It was this. This is not this one basically. That was also, but where is that? That was EA. Okay, that's funny. I can't find it. Where the heck is the big EA? Okay, I don't even have it here, I guess. Okay, anyway, but see, this one is for 50. That's nothing. I still don't know where it is. Let me see if I have it on my website. Really, I'm concerned now the where the heck it is. Recent trade. EUR-AUD, that was a big one. EUR-AUD. This is this drop for 60 pip only. This one, yeah. No, not this one. Okay, now I'm confused. Maybe that's something else, not EUR-AUD. Okay, maybe that was something else. But what I'm saying is that, basically, like these trades, 60 pip, 75 pip, yeah, this one is 85 pip, this one 50, right? So usually I think, go for 95 pip, right? Pound yen. So these are the trades that, I take it to the maximum, profit is 95 pip, pound yen, right? So, yeah, I'm still waiting for that. Let me see again. Okay, it got stopped here, right? To this low, but I think it's gonna go and then hit. As soon as it hit that, and I'm gonna wait for a little bit. If not, then even for 50 pip, I'll close it. 50 is okay, no problem, right? So 50 plus 70 is still 120 minus the 25. It's still, I said, like 95 pips still, right? That's how it is. This is the game that you want to, you're losers, you have it. You have the lose, sometimes on a break even, sometimes 5 pip, 15 pip, 10 pip. And in just in case of my USD, pound USD today, full 25 pip, right? But it's still, you can see here that it is cooking. And as soon as it has, if I get a reversal candle here, I'm going to go short, right? Because USD is still strong, NFP was very, very strong. I don't know why it went up there. Pound news was bad. It still went up there, right? And it took my SL. No problem. Even if I get my 25 pip back from here, I will do that. So I'm going to go short here and I'll try to recover my thing. Pound Aussie, I just showed you that I had a long here, came down and hit my SL and then it went up again. So that happened all the time. No big deal. But pound Aussie, you see that? It's still slowly but trying to go down. It's going to come down here. I'll close for 75 pip. That's how it is. I hope that you understand now that how my system work and how it is that I have very minimum stop loss, hit. And if I do, is most of the time it's break even, right? And sometimes, very, very, maybe one or two a day, like full 25 pip, and then some maybe full, 5 pip, 10 pip, maybe 2 or 3. And then most of them like break even. So, but if I have like 2 or 3 big one, right, totaling like maybe 300 pip, then what do I care? Small SL hit, break even, or 5 pip or 25 pip. No, that's change, right? So that's how it is. I hope that I explained that pretty good now, and I'll keep this video. And every time if somebody's gonna ask me, I'm just gonna give these videos a look, and I explain it very well here, and self-explanatory everything, and anybody can understand that this is how it is, right? So bye for now, and don't forget to sign up for my like not sign up, but subscribe the YouTube channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. And hopefully, man, this thing drop here, right? Even if it may drop all the way here, let's see how it goes, right? And well, but the today is the very, very like slow and bad day today, right? And still, I'm coming up with even couple of SL hit, and still I have like 120 pip in the back. 120, 130 pip I'll have, right? So this is how it is. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.